Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, by the way, my name is AB. I'm from Royal Class. I'm the CTC student 2024 and 2025. I'm together with
I'm Aziza from TC 167.
uh, so I have a lesson from Mr. Megan to make a video the reason why you study at PEC. So Mr. Man, he want to know my reason, maybe he want to know his reason. So first we're gonna be asked to her. So what's the reason why you study at PEC?
Because I'm first graduate in
Okay.
police and I want to join college, but I failed to join college twice.
Twice.
Yeah, but actually I have joined in UIN.
Please.
Yeah, but I think I'm not the only one to join there. Yeah, so before I just here, I'm discussed with my parents for a long time, and yeah, finally I'm here. I'm just here.
So you've been to CTC right before. What is the difference between CTC and PC?
So different because in PC difficult.
Difficult. So many, what do you call project.
Yeah, and we have to speak English every time.
So you stay at Paris. It's 5 months, right?
Yeah.
5 months or 4 months?
4.
4 months.
4 and now 5.
5 months. You're going to 5 months.
Yeah.
Okay. So why you didn't compare before you coming to Paris? Are you search to Instagram or are you compare when you arrive or something like that?
I search
yes.
in TikTok.
TikTok.
Yeah, and
It's a Gen Z. Yes.
and,
TikTok on Gen Z.
and discuss with my mother because my mother have friends and my mother's friend said to me if I wanna learn English in Paris, I think better to join this because she have child and yeah, very good.
Okay.
So how about you?
So from my side is I want to learn more grammar, so I did compare with the others. Actually, I've been here before. It was here because there is something else to urgent, and then I'll be back to my hometown, and I did compare in the Instagram and the Facebook because I have a lot of friends also already here, and the other course I mean, and then I asked, and they are being asked for what's your purpose to learn English? You want to your goals in speaking or grammar? So I said my goals is grammar. That's why they are telling me to come into BC. They are telling me like a lot of teacher is graduate from BC. That's why I learn study at BC. The reason why I study at BC.
And after this, what do you want?
So actually, I want to focus first on the CTC, and then for sure I will join the TC because if you are stuck in the CTC only, you don't get any certificate, anything, right? So I will continue with TC. Then if I have time or if I have nothing to do after that, I will continue with my college. I mean MS. And then if I don't have enough money or I have urgent something else, so I have to work, and then after that I can come back and to continue my study at BC to MS because in MS it's like you will get everything. Like I mean, you will know the feeling how to teach everyone, and then you have to know like solve the problem because this guy is lazy or something else, too bored or something like that. That's why I'm learning on him because he get everything. And also actually my coach is also graduate from here.
Oh.
Yes. My question is MS also, but it's 84 something like that. MSc before. It's been long time ago.
Yeah.
Now he's working in the abroad. That's why. But my planning is like it was graduate from MS and then I will what do you call continue my university also. But because my university I want to take a major is Sastra English. So that's why I have to know the basic grammar on everything. And how about you? If you're finished in the here and then you will continue with your university,
Yeah.
which count are you prefer to work in Indonesia or abroad?
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yeah.
Which place like exactly where is the place, city or something like that?
I think
Where is Upi? Bandung?
Bandung, yeah.
Ah, you
Yeah.
will work in Bandung.
Because I'm enjoying Sastra Indonesia.
Ah, Indonesia.
Yeah, and actually I dislike English. But if I want to join in Sastra Indonesia, I have to speak English well. Yeah, because there is not just Indonesia,
Ah,
but English and other.
there is your parents force you to learn English or from your bottom of your heart? It's from you?
From myself.
From your side.
But
Okay.
yeah, and then my father said to me, yeah, you must speak English well first.
So that's why it's not regarding your father push you or your parents force you to learn English, right? It's only from your side.
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
my parents just support.
Okay. So that's all from me and from Aziza. If we have any mistake, please forgive us. The last we say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.